birds and bees.
It ain't no place that I'd rather be. I'm high and I'm floating like Bumblebee. Swear to God that these niggas up under me. Swear to God that these niggas up under me. It ain't no place that I'd rather be. I feel like I'm heaven sent. I ain't lying when I make that song yelling I'm on some other shit. Fuck is you selling me? If it wasn't cooperation, I would have all these felonies. Fuck is you telling me? I've been out on my own, I don't never need no one to carry me. I know the recipe. Stay the fuck away from haters, cause they just be buzzing like Bumblebee. 40 and stay with me, cause I gotta feel comfortable when I close my eyes and go to sleep. Fuck off some Jodeci. I'm a well on that bitch and she didn't like me, now bet she noticed me. No one consoling me. I keep all of my problems away so no one end up hurting me. You cannot go with me, cause my zodiac cancel, so that mean that no one controlling me. That's how I be. I left my heart in the streets, hoping not sleeping on me. I'm off the leash. People gon' say as they please. That's for the birds and the bees. Do it with ease. Go out and get what I need. I got some tricks on my sleeve. Keep it discreet. Nothing ain't never been free. That's for the birds and the bees.